Just go to OBAS, ma'am. It is assignment or not. Once again, I need to check.
Okay. Mm. OBAS is nothing but like we are assigning ABDV to whatever the number range we have given. So APIB is also the same, and the other one was also the same. The one-time vendor is also the same.
No, no.
Back ఎలా చేసావు?
Okay, madam. Then go to GL creation.
Yeah. So here we have type description, control data, and create bank interest. The GL account. ఏదైనా చూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
No, ma'am. Till GL group assignment completed, now we have to go for Excel sheet. As per Excel sheet, what is the next step?
FS00.
Creation of reconciliation accounts. So we have to create 3 reconciliation accounts for each and every vendor group wise. First, go to create
Okay.
domestic vendor reconciliation account. All the vendor reconciliation account comes under the which group, ma'am? Vendor
Vendor
recon
recon.
comes which group? Anybody? Anybody?
Sundry creditors.
Okay. All the sundry creditors comes under the
Liabilities.
That is the basic things, ma'am. All vendor reconciliation. Vendor is comes under the current liability. Same way, vendor reconciliation account also comes under the current liabilities. So all current
Yes.
liabilities comes under the balance sheet. So we have a current liabilities GL group. So you don't check in administration current assets group. Go for OBD4. Enter your chart of accounts. Go to the position. Enter your chart of accounts. Continue. Go to the current liabilities. 100,500 to 100,599. That is our
One double
current
zero five
liabilities group.
hundred. Mm.
So we have to
One double
start
zero.
100,500.
Yeah.
Current liabilities. Current liabilities comes under the which group, ma'am? Either P&L or balance sheet.
Balance.
Hmm. And short text,
Domestic.
just DOME, VEN, REC and method. DOM, VEN, REC. Domestic vendor. Domestic vendor reconciliation account. Okay, ma'am. Just go to the control data. So here, once again, read it all one. Account balance is local currency. You need to update that one. Okay. because this is the balance sheet GL account, first one.
Okay. Only balances in local currency.
Click on it. Otherwise, not issue. Okay, and okay, leave it. Come down, come down. Reconciliation account type.
Recon account we have to update.
Reconciliation account type. Yeah.
No, that is posting without
Yeah.
selling.
Here.
Yeah, here.
Vendors.
There are four.
Best.
Yes,
I have to go
yes,
with vendors,
yes,
right?
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Vendor reconciliation.
Mm.
So not required remaining.
Shall I go with create bank interest?
Open item management. All vendors and customers we can treat as a open item.
Okay.
Okay, it's not a open item. Wait, ma'am. Wait. Line item display, you have to select it.
Okay, sir.
Ma'am, update short key, ma'am. This is also GL creation
Short
part. We
name,
have an
yes.
idea what are all the fields you need to update mandatory. Short key, you have to update posting vendor number. Select all and just remove the open item management also not required. Open item management means GRIR like that. Technical clearing these and all we can update. Go to the create bank interest. Click on that one. And field status group. You can update vendor point of view. If not there, we can select it. Reconciliation account, you can select it G001 only. Sorry. Vendor reconciliation account. Go for 67 something. Just
Scroll
scroll
down,
down.
scroll.
67 reconciliation account. Okay. Here
Reconciliation
there is
account.
no need to update vendor or customer. Just 67 for all the reconciliation account purpose. So I have to use. Continue and save it.
Okay. Done.
Like that, you have to create a remaining two reconciliation account also. One domestic, international, and one time.
Sure.
Just select that one and go to copy option.
Copy பண்ணலாம்.
Here is a copy, like it's a domestic vendor. Just now we have created 0011 501. I'm giving here. Here also the GLF number is 50. Sorry, it was the reference one, and here I'm changing. So instead of domestic, I'm giving international here.
Okay. Same way, you can create one time vendor also. Domestic vendor, one international vendor, one. Same way in customer point of view, while we are creating the reconciliation account, all customers reconciliation account comes under the current asset. Okay, reconciliation account also created. Then coming to tolerance group, vendor create tolerance for customer and vendors. Once we can create one tolerance group, that is enough for we can assign both customer and vendor scenario. So go to
Okay.
OBA3 transaction code, we can create the tolerance groups slash and OBA3.
In S/4HANA point of view, we will create BP instead of
Yes, ma'am, we have
customer
the same thing.
vendor group. Will your number
Not partner
ranges
group.
same as it is? Will create, right? Will
Yes,
use.
yes.
Okay.
One second, ma'am. Just okay. Let's finish this one. I'll explain the what and all the difference between ECs and S4HANA. Okay, ma'am. Just updated your company code. Just close it. Currency
Select currency.
INR.
So it's not selected.
Okay, no issue. May leave it. Okay. If it is asking mandatory, then we can try it. Otherwise, you can select it.
It's not coming.
No, just close it.
Mhm.
Okay, here tolerance group is APTG. Uh, Tolerance group, vendor and customer. So simply we can update APDC. Tolerance group APDC. Okay. Tolerance group for customer and vendor. I can mention it. Okay, leave it. Remaining all not update now. Just save it and continue. Go for Excel sheet. Then whatever we created the tolerance group, we have to assign our company code. Assign
OBA4.
and vendor customer groups OBA4.
Mm.
So here, whatever we created, click on new entry.
It's new entry or
New entry, ma'am.
okay.
Create tolerance group. Whatever we created tolerance group, update here. And company code. Okay, here 99. So you have to update amount limit 99. And down also you have to update 99. Cash discount for line item is 5%. It means customer and vendor scenarios, we have to update, we have to given or we have to receive maximum 5% of discount. Revenue, you have to update 100 rupees example. Based here. 100 rupees, we can update 5%. Cash adjustment discount 5%. In expenditure point of view also, you can update same thing.
Entry already exists with the same.
Enter it.
Shall I change the group here?
Change it.
Mm.
Whatever you created, what you created?
That is not our creation. We change that.
APGT. Okay. First
Yeah,
change in
for
Excel sheet.
uniform.
Change in Excel sheet.
Okay.
Okay. APGT instead of TSVC.
In OBA3 also we need to change because there is an OBA4, it's not accepting, we have given as ABGT. So we'll go to ఇక్కడ టీజీ ఇచ్చాం కదా, ఇది జీటీ చేంజ్ చేయొచ్చు. Earlier we have given as TG. Now the TG was not accepting. So that's the reason we have given as GT. Shall I change here?
Here it's not possible, ma'am. This is an assignment only.
So shall I leave like that only?
కాపీ
APT
చేసేసేయాలి కదా, చేంజ్ చేసేయాలి టాలరెన్స్ కాపీ చేసి.
టాలరెన్స్ గ్రూప్ ని దీన్ని రిమూవ్ చేయండి ఫస్ట్. జస్ట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసి పైన మైనస్ సింబల్ ఉంది దాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి.
Okay.
సేవ్ చేయండి. మళ్ళీ పొజిషన్ లోకి వెళ్ళి న్యూ ఎంట్రీస్ జస్ట్ ఎంటర్ అండ్ సేవ్.
డబల్ టూ ఒక నిమిషం, 2211 కంపెనీ కోడ్ మీరు బై మిస్టేక్ 1 నెంబర్ యాడ్ చేస్తారు.
Thank you.
Okay, just go back and go. Okay, ma'am, and go for Excel sheet.
OBA4 is also done.
Then
Assignment.
vendor creation process. So in ECC, so let me have a separate Excel sheet for as per HANA point of view. So what and all the changes in business partner point of view, I'll explain next class only. So here vendor creation XK01. So go to XK01 screen.
Yeah.
Okay, vendor number. So you just select the vendor, continue. Just close in into mark, click on into mark. Okay, wait. Vendor company code vendor. Okay,
What I
just
have to
click
do?
on enter.
Okay.
Specify the account group.
Specify the
Okay,
account.
account group you have to select the fourth field. Select domestic vendor group, whatever your company created. Continue and click on enter. Okay, now we have to create a vendor information title. Yes, click on.
No, I'm not getting anything.
Click on. I didn't get. Okay, company. Okay, you can mention any vendor name, whatever based on your business requirement. Mention its full name, ma'am, like Tata Steel something. Okay, this is your vendor, right? And go down, you need to update vendor relevant address information, street, house number. So in this, what and all the fields mandatory, you have to update. If not mandatory, you can leave it. So house number, you can update something, postal code, country. So this is the vendor creation process by manual process. In coming to in real-time scenarios, from when implementation stage, all the configuration is completed. With the help of cutover activities, we will updated hundreds or thousands of vendors with the help of LTMC or BDC different tools. So in that time, we in Excel sheet, what and all the fields available while vendor creation time, like address, street, postal code, PO number, everything we have a separate fields under the Excel sheet. In that Excel sheet, based on legacy data, we can convert all the information from Excel sheet. So then we can upload the Excel sheet. Then automatically in that Excel sheet, if you have 1,000 vendors, in automatically SAP ERP also 1,000 vendor details, it will be updated automatically. So that is at our point of view. So here manual creation, this is the manual vendor creation. So this is also one of the important. So in vendor master data, what and all the fields available. In previous class we discussed. So vendor relevant complete information with address and everything. Okay, madam. This is for telephone number. We can update anything, something. Okay, just enter and save it. Okay. Okay. These are all the required. So here reconciliation account is mandatory. So that vendor relevant which reconciliation account. So here that vendor we are coming under the domestic vendor. So short key we have to update it anything vendor number something. Okay, and cash management groups. If it is mandatory, I think just click on this one. You can update anything. Drill down it. Okay, you can enter IA1. First one only you have to update. Domestic payments. Continue. Okay, enter. So this is the basic master data setup time. Before going to post any kind of vendor relevant transactions, either invoices or purchase, payment, advance payment, anything. Before that, we have to create vendor relevant complete information. This is vendor creation time. In S/4HANA, first we have to create a business partner. Later, we have to extend that business partner from FI customer or FI vendor. See here, vendor number 7007 ending with 01 was created. How it will created means in domestic vendor groups, we can assign number range from 7. Under the 7, we have to create 7 to 7 lakhs, whatever, 7 lakhs to ending with 01 to 100.
99.
So that it will take first number. In this way, we have a chance to, under the domestic vendors, we have an option to 100 domestic vendors creation. But in real time scenarios, they will mention lakhs of number range between one group to another group. Because in real time business scenarios, clients having more than 100, 200 company codes so all over world. So one vendor can supply entire worldwide all the countries business scenarios also, so that they mention lakhs of number ranges. Okay, vendor creation is completed. Now, if you want to post any kind of transactions like vendor invoice, for example, you can purchase any services or goods from vendor, then we have to post in our system. So it means PO point of view that is separate from FI to integration and people, they will follow this entire process. Material requisition to PO generation from with the help of PO reference number, we receive the goods and services, everything. That is separate scenario. We'll discuss later. But without PO in FB60, we have an option to post transaction directly, right? So before posting the any kind of transactions, we have a two GL accounts like debit and credit. So here vendor scenario, we can purchase any raw material or finished goods, whatever. So if you can purchase raw material, if you can post these transactions, raw material GL account also we have to require. At the same time, vendor GL account required. So vendor GL account already we created. So we need to create a raw material GL account. So as per Aparna Madam created a business is construction business, so that before going to start the construction, required raw material is cement and steel, iron. So whatever based on the construction material, ma'am, we have to create a one material like steel. Steel is also raw material. It is comes
Okay.
under the current asset. Go to FS00. So as part of businesses, we received any raw material, finished goods, semi-finished goods, everything we can treat as a current asset because MM side also the material, everything it will be monitoring, but the data it will be updated in FI level because in FI level only we have to analyze entire how much till date how much current assets and fixed asset everything we have to calculate the value. So in this scenario, in our point of view, all the raw material, semi-finished goods, finished goods, everything we can treat under the current assets. So uh, I think current assets we already created or not? Okay, not created. Go to OBD4, go to the position, enter your company code, select on current assets, chart of accounts.
No, I'm in my company code only. AP OC was not
Current
open.
assets
100,700, sir.
100,700 to 100,799.
So current assets was already there, I think so.
If already there, we can use next number. Okay, bank GL accounts we already created in the current assets, so we have to use same thing. So when we can enter the CO point of view, otherwise FI to MM integration, so we can create a couple of GL account. That GL account we can treat it under the inventory raw material. Just close it, ma'am. What is
703,
the S bank
704,
is last number? Select the last number.
704. Yeah.
Okay. Continue. Yes. Create bank interest. Okay, sorry. Type and description. Enter current assets. All the current assets comes under the which group? Balance sheet. Short text. Steel. I can mention it. Steel something. Okay. Long text also mention is steel. Control data. So this is balance sheet amount. So that click on local balance. Only balances in local currency. First. And reconciliation account not required. Line item display. Select G double date.
What?
Short key. You can mention posting date, whatever. Here vendor name not there. Create bank interest. So this one also you can select it G001.
Shall we go with metal accounts? No, right?
No, ma'am, when we can enter the FI to MM, then we can select because if you can select material accounts, later we have to assignment also required. So that it will take much time. Okay. So now vendor master data basic setups created and vendor number vendor also created and material also created. Then we'll try to post the document. So FB60 is the direct double screen transaction. Try to post one entry under the FB60. So we have a time 2 minutes only, ma'am. Once the section is completed, we'll join tomorrow only. So before that, everyone do practice how ma'am is completed till vendor relevant basic setups and everything. You have to practice in your system. If you'll get any doubts, you can text me. Enter, ma'am. Enter it. Continue. Okay. Amount we have to mention. Okay. Select raw material. Okay. Mention selected steel GL account. Yes, ma'am. Debit only you can keep it. Inventory raw material account debit to vendor account credit. So always vendor invoice posting time, vendor number, it will be appearing in top side. It will comes under the credit. We have to update only debit side only. Hello.
Domestic one.
Why you can select, ma'am, not required. So already vendor number is updated top side. So vendor account comes on the credit.
Okay.
So automatically material account updated.
I
Don't
didn't get.
select anything. Don't select
Hmm.
anything.
Okay, okay.
Select once again, select and
Hmm.
hmm, just save it. Payment baseline date system it will asking. Okay, just select its normal baseline date. 26th. Select payment terms also we till we are not created.